अमरीकी सदर डोनल्ड ट्रंप ने दावा किया है कि ईरान का जोहरी प्रोग्राम कई साल पीछे धकेल दिया। अमरीकी हमले की वजह से जंग खत्म हुई। दी हैग में नेटो समिट में गुफ्तगू करते हुए कहा कि ईरान कभी बम नहीं बना सकता। नेटो क्लियर प्रोग्राम दोबारा शुरू करना बहुत मुश्किल है। अमरीकी हमला नाकाम करार देने पर ट्रंप ने न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स और CNN को सख्त तनकीद का निशाना बनाया। अमरीकी वज़ीर दिफा बोले FBI से मिलकर इंटेलिजेंस लीक की तहकीकात कर रहे हैं।
It's gone for years. Very tough to rebuild because the whole thing has collapsed. In other words, inside, it's all collapsed. Had we not succeeded with that hit ended the war. That hit ended the war. I don't want to use an example of Hiroshima. I don't want to use an example of Nagasaki. If you were in the Situation Room with me, with the generals and all of the people that did such a good job, and then they get demeaned by these idiots at CNN who can't get ratings, the place is dying, nobody wants to even waste their time going on their shows. So they form with the New York Times, who's dying also. Without Trump, you wouldn't have a New York Times.
We're doing a leak investigation with the FBI right now because this information is for internal purposes, battle damage assessments, and CNN and others are trying to spin it to make the president look bad when this was an overwhelming success.